What's up, guys? Today it's me again, Lizzie's from Lizzie's Coding Masterclass, and today we're gonna talk about backtesting. So I written down 2 points. The first one is what is even backtesting. Second point is why is it important for us. The first one is what is even backtesting. Backtesting basically is that we're going back on time on the chart, okay, and there we can test our agility on the market. So yeah, we can do this on two sides. FX replay or trading view. We're gonna look over it after, and then I'm gonna explain more of that. So the second point is why is it important for us? It's important for us because we're getting so much more reps if you're trading, if you're doing backtesting. Because if you're only doing the live market, you might take 10 trades a month, okay? And if we're going backtest, we can trade maybe 100. We're gonna take 100 trades a month if you're backtesting. Second thing is you get used to the chart market. Because using more, you're gonna trade more, you're getting used better to the chart, and practice makes perfect. I guess you all know what this is. As more reps as we get, as better as we get at the chart, at the trading stuff, okay? So these are just 2 points, and now we're gonna look over the whole thing. So there we have to go on Chrome, Google, whatever. Then we open up FX replay and trading view. You can do this on both sides. I recommend you doing another FX replay. So for trading view, okay, you have to buy premium. So it's not free at all. They can go here on replay, and then you can just go back in time. Here's the time, how much replay you want, how much speed you want here. Here's yeah, if you yeah. Okay, it's So now that we're on the chart, okay, we have two options. The first one is trading view, second one is FX replay. First one is trading view, okay. I recommend you do FX replay. So because of that, I'm gonna give you a FX replay tutorial. It's basically the same with the trading view. Right now I don't have didn't bought premium, so I can't show you very much. I can just show you that if you bought premium, you have to go here and replay. Then you have to go back in time. You can go back in time list. You can go on higher charge. Go here back in time. Okay. And down here, is the replay speed. And here you can see same as the chart. Okay. Or like at the update time. So basically for every second here it's 5 minutes. Replay speed x10. So it's like 50 minutes. Yeah. If you go up here, 1 hour, then it's gonna change. Same as the chart. Okay. Just do the same as the chart, it's the best one. Basically, yeah, that's for trading view. Bad thing here is you can't really check the news market. So if there's gonna be news, you're just gonna get fucked. You just have to pray that you're not getting CPI or some shit like that. That's why you're using FX replay. After replay, you have to go here, sign with your Google account, and do like, I don't know. Genau. Nochmal von vorne, Bro. So now, here on FX replay, okay, and when you first time here, just sign in for free. You can go in with Google or email address and password. I'm gonna go with Google now. As soon as you're in, we are on this home page, okay. There we see our time we invested. I invested 7 minutes. Our historical time, I invested 5 days there. Our win rate 0, trades taken 0. There how much time we invested in the month, and here's our win rate, okay. And here, because you didn't do anything now, at first you're gonna go down right where you see new session, press it, name it, I don't know what you want, say FX replay, then account balance. I just save it. And here, depends on what you're trading. I'm gonna take now USD, and down here, just go back 2 years. Okay, that's the time we're starting. That's the time we're ending. Then you're gonna create a session. Then we created a session. Okay. Then you go here. The third, no, okay, and the second one. Sorry. Then you can go here, go to chart. Okay, now you have to wait a second most of the time. Nice. Okay, now we're in. Okay, So basically, it's like trading. Okay, you just have to like change the settings there. In the left top, we see that the chart minute. You can go on 15, 30, 1 minute. I mean 1 hour. I mean you know what it is, no? Then here, it's the time. It's the speed time. Okay. So basically, when we go on 50 minutes and going in 50 minutes and press go, it's for each second is 1 candle. Okay. Here we can switch up to 1 minute, and for each second it's 1 minute. 3 minutes for each second it's 3 minutes. So you know what it is. Okay, and here we're seeing it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how much minutes. Like that's how much minutes we're gonna go in time every minute. I think what okay. Here we see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know. Okay. And if you go 2, the speed is on 6 now because we have 3 minutes. Okay, so per every second they're gonna be 2 times 3. When we go up on 5, they're gonna be 2 times 5, so 10, 15. Then gonna be 2 times 15, and so on. Here we can go up to 16 times. Then it looks like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I stop. Okay. Then up here it's basically like trading view indicators. I wouldn't use it because most of the indicators are not even in here. On the right side, we can see here news. Just press on it, then you see the economy calendar. It's the better point than on TradingView because you cannot just go. Or I mean, you can go back on the Forex Factory, but it will take so long. Here, just have it in the website. Okay. Then I'm just gonna cut this out. Okay. Then here, if you wanna trade now, you're gonna go in here, make place order. Here, buy or sell, what type you want, a limit, market or stop, size lots, entry price, and so on. Here we're always gonna go on stop loss. Then I can see how much you want to risk. Okay, basically again the same. Buy, sell, risk percentage. If you're going 2, then I'll change it to 2. I can even go to 10, I guess, or 100, whatever. Okay. Normally you go on 1%, or what I did, I go 1%. Then on the market, the entry price. Just do it automatically. If you want to go on limit, you have to do it by yourself, or stop loss, then you're gonna do it by yourself. So now back on market, here you can see our stop loss. I'm gonna look over it. So like there, I want to be okay, wait, I'm going for short, bro. Okay, I'm going short now. Okay, and I want my stop loss to be above the scanner. Then I'm gonna look here and see the right side where my cursor is. The price level. I'll type it in. I can also take profit. Here, take profit. Where do I want to take profit? Say on $1. 179. Okay. Auto break even you can do too, but I wouldn't do that. Then normally don't save. If you want to journal all your trades, you can press in journal. Okay. And here I don't have journal entries yet because I traded right now with all journals. I'm gonna just do it with full. If you want to discard your trade, just press on the X, go on 100% and save. Okay, just gonna do this again. Same shit. Stop loss. Where was it? Here, no. Yeah. 9549. Take profit on the low 79. Okay, save in journal. Then here I can make a screenshot of it. Taking a screenshot, the title, first trade, or just the date, checklist, none, tags, I can create a tag, shorts, okay, short, confidence level, how much I'm confident that I'm gonna win this trade rating, so how good is the setup, and then I just note, I go short, because, okay. You're saving it, then you see here on your journal side how much money you made in the day. So now when I go forward, okay, give me one now. So now we can see here the price switch here, right? You can also move our stop loss down, move our stop loss up, move our stop loss down, take profit up, take profit down. And here when we press on the X, we can close 100%, 25, 50, 75, so we can take partial profits or partial loss. We can also do individual. So here we could do 10%, okay? Then we discard 0.04 lots. Then we're gonna take a 0.04 lot. It would be 31 cents, okay? Now we can just still wait here. Yeah, take profit, get hit. Here we see the realized PNL we just made right now, $77. We see our account balance now, 10,077 euros and 53 cents. Sorry. Okay. So now we can go on analytics, and here we see from our session total trades. I'm at 2, 1 win, 0 loss, because other trade we discard, right? Break even trade. This was the one trade we just went out. Our total P&L. Here we can see the scala going up. Win rate 100%. Here's our average R, 0.7. Normally I use this. Where is it? Here, yes sir. Here we can also see how much we're making in the month, how much we're gaining or lost in the week, or how much we gain daily or lost daily. Here we can see the trades we just took. Yeah, we can go even on journal. Yeah, we see here the shorts. Can we open this up? Yeah, you can open this out. You can see how much you make profit. And all this shit. So basically, you don't have to get pro, but I would recommend you go getting pro, or at least intimidate, because you just have more options. You can upgrade here, okay? So you can see even more. You can trade more. You can take more trades, I think, without if you're doing like the free session. Then you can only trade 50s. They can only take 50 trades. Sorry. Okay. With intimidate you can trade 100, and pro I think endless, or 200 with intimidate. Here we see our time invested. So now it was 7 minutes, it goes up by 5 minutes. We just traded 5 minutes, 1 day, and I don't know how many hours, 14, 15 hours it was. Then our win rate here, 2 trades we took, we did 100 sales, 100% sales. So we took 1 sell, 2 sells. What the fuck is going on right now? 2 sells, 0 buys. Yeah, again 2 trades. Yeah, basically this was about backtesting. I would recommend you doing hardly. I would recommend you doing at least a half hour a day or 1 hour a day. You can also just do it all day long if you're bored, because you're getting more reps and you're gonna get better at trading without even trading the live market. You know, here you have to wait maybe 2 days for 1 trade, or 3 days, or even a week or 2 weeks, okay? And here backtesting, you can just go in here, go to chart. Now waiting again. Here going up. What do we see? Bad structure. Going 4, going on 2 or 4. Slide it around, you know. Or going back to New York Open. Yeah, marking out the size. I'm just waiting for it to hit, and then we can look for entries. It lasts 1-2 minutes, and in the real time it lasts 1-2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, days. You know, so that's why backtesting is really good, really good. That's why I would recommend you hardly to use it. Yeah, I guess this was the video. See you in the next video, boys. Have a great day. Backtest much. Backtest 1 hour at least a day. Okay, because you want to get profitable. If you want to get profitable, you have to trade. You have to get many reps, because practice makes perfect. Why the fuck do I rock league? Holy fuck and this shit. Yeah, basically this was the video, guys. See ya next video. Bye bye.